Shane Stevens, and I'm from Greenfield, Indiana, just outside of Indianapolis, Indiana. Vehicle I have is a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're doing a 6-inch BDS lift. We're putting hostile wheels wrapped in 35-inch Ridge Grapplers. We're also doing some rock lights, which I'm pretty excited about. That's a surprise for my girlfriend, Rachel. I chose custom offsets because of basically the knowledge, the videos I saw. Honestly, I watched several videos, especially with the lift that I wanted. Rachel and I were super excited. This has kind of been a year process, and we're looking forward to it.
How's it going, sir?
This is the other Cody.
Hi.
Hi, I'm the other Cody.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Good.
It's been a long week, I suppose.
To say the least. Yeah.
Probably more so for her, because how much nausea medication did you take?
I've maybe taken a couple, and I've been restless trying to sleep, but
Yeah.
I'm just really excited.
It turned out really cool, so I'll stand over here so I can tell you when to turn around. Cody, you can open the door.
You know that's like torture, right?
Yeah, I do know. This is my favorite part of the whole thing.
No.
She's going crazy.
All right, you can turn around.
Oh my gosh, she looks great.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my god. She looks better than I expected. And we get to take her home.
Exactly. She's all yours.
Oh wow.
So, and because it's the Magna-Ride, so you'll see the strut spacer up front.
Yeah.
And then in the rear, you got the factory Magna-Ride shocks back here with just a bracket on them. 35-inch Ridge Grapplers, the hostile rages.
You okay?
Yeah. I just never thought this would happen. Like, this has been like over a decade. I've always wanted this exact truck like this, and he's done so much to make it happen.
Did you have to get into the bumper much?
Not too much, just a little bit of the inside of the corner just for clearance, and then obviously the valence.
Oh, that looks great.
And when we sucked the front of the liner back forward, and then we did a little bit of trimming back here, but it was all being covered up by the factory GMC flares.
So then we get to take her home.
Yep, exactly. That's the best part. If you want to walk around to the other side.
Shut up! Shut up! You got the light? Is it the one?
Yes.
Oh, I so wanted that! Like you can, oh, is it the one where you can pick any color, right?
Yep, it's all on an app.
Oh my god! Okay, so let's try a purple.
Purple. There's purple.
There you go. There's purple.
I just told you I wanted this. Oh, that's so awesome.
So that's the only part left.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
So I got you guys some stuff, and there's several hats here, but
Awesome.
Indiana State Police, you can kind of take your pick on the guys that worked on this truck.
Sweet.
Wear them, throw them in your truck, put them on your desk, whatever you want to do. From start to finish, I mean, this was just an awesome experience.
Good deal.
Yeah.
You know, that's what we strive for.
It really was.
Yeah.
It was a great experience.
Definitely worth the drive up here, and yeah,
Good
I mean,
deal.
it's amazing.
Good deal.
And you know it's done right.
That was number one.
Yeah.
You knew it would be done right.
It's amazing.